Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this black Vauxhall Corsa. Now of course you do get full LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, and then of course you also get these brilliant painted alloy wheels, which of course are a 16-inch, and I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. Coming round to the rear now, we've then also got plenty of room inside of the tailgate, which you can see just here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then coming back out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full cloth interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've then also got wind windows in the rear. Then coming over to the front, into the front of the car, we've got a 5-speed manual gearbox. We've then got your climate control settings in the middle, which you can see just here, or your air conditioning controls. We've then got a touchscreen display, which comes with your various audio sources, radio, USB and iPod. Now of course, as you can see on here, you do also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Then coming over to the steering wheel now, on the left hand side we have your cruise control and speed limiter on the left. We've then got your voice assistant, Bluetooth hands-free, audio controls on the right hand side. As you can see, this Corsa has done 16,343 miles. But jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Vauxhall Corsa, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.